Let us see how to add a jumping girl on Scratch. Firstly, add the sprite's trampoline and the girl. Create a variable gravity. Now add a one flag click block and then add a forever block below that. Now get an if block to check if the girl is touching the trampoline. Whenever it is touching the trampoline, let us set the gravity variable to 0 and add another if block inside to check if the up arrow key is pressed. Whenever the up arrow key is pressed, let us set the gravity to 10. Now add change Y block to make the girl jump up. Let us set its value to gravity. Then add a change gravity block, set its value to minus 0.5. Now add the switch costume at both the places of the if blocks. Finally, the girl jumps. Voila! If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.